To delete a file in Google Drive on the web, just find the file that you want to delete, right-click on it, and select Remove. Or you can push the Delete key on your keyboard once the file has been selected. For a few seconds after you've deleted a file, you'll have a chance to click Undo on the lower left corner of your Chrome browser. Anything you delete will remain in trash. Trash can be emptied anytime, and it still incurs storage space. If you want to restore a file, just right-click on it and select Restore, or you'll have an option to delete that file forever. When you restore a file, you'll have a chance to locate it in your My Drive. Just click the Locate link on the lower left of your Chrome browser. Now, if you want to empty all of your trash, you can go to the trash bin, and at the top of the trash, select the down arrow and click Empty Trash. This will remove all of the trash from your trash bin. Trash will stay here until you empty the trash or delete the file forever. If you own the file, the people you shared it with can still make a copy. You'll need to remove the file forever if you don't want them to be able to copy it again. If you don't own the file, removing the file from Drive only removes it for you.